Alright, here's today's application problem. Now, just like with any math problem, I'm going to start by adding an R, D, W to the side of my paper so I don't forget to read, draw, write. Let's do the first step and read. Sienna has 4 bags of square-inch tiles with 6 tiles in each bag. She uses them to measure the area of a rectangle on her homework. After covering the rectangle, Sienna has 4 tiles left. What is the area of the rectangle? Okay, I read that like a reader. Now let's read it like a mathematician. And since I'm on present mode, I can't highlight. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jot down important words to remember. Sienna has 4 bags of square-inch tiles with 6 tiles in each bag. So I'm going to say 4 bags of 6 square-inch tiles. So I know that that is 4 bags of 6 tiles each. She uses them to measure the area of a rectangle on her homework. That's good to know, but nothing in there is super important except for the word area. I'm looking for area. After covering the rectangle, Sienna has 4 tiles left. What is the area of the rectangle? So I'm going to say she has 4 tiles left. So now I remember, and then I'm going to say area of rectangle. This is just so I don't forget any of these important key phrases and words in my problem since I can't highlight them right now. My reading is done. Now it's time to draw. Now, the first thing I need to do is look at my first sentence. She's got 4 bags of square-inch tiles with 6 tiles in each bag. I should probably figure out how many tiles Sienna has altogether. I'm going to do this by drawing a tape diagram. I know she has 4 bags, so I'm going to make 4 boxes. Each bag has 6. So now I'm going to say that this is N, and N is the number of tiles. Okay, so now I need to find what 4 groups of 6 equals. 6, 12, 18, 24. Actually, let me fix that. 4 times 6 equals N. N equals 24. So, there's step 1. Am I done? No, I did that. But now, it tells me that Sienna uses these tiles to cover a rectangle on her homework, but she has 4 tiles left over. So, I am going to draw another tape diagram, and I am going to label this with a C for covered, and then I'm going to label this 4. And I'm going to go ahead and make a note saying not used tiles, because these are the tiles Sienna did not use. So now I need to figure out what C is. What could C be? Well, I know that in total there are 24 tiles. I should have scooted this down a bit. There are 24 tiles. So I have 24 total tiles, and then I'm going to go ahead and take those 4 away that I didn't use. So 24 take away 4 will give me C. 24 minus 4. And we know that 24 take away 4 gives us 20. Okay, I did my drawing. Now it's time to write. Sienna's rectangle has the area of 20 square units. I know this because I found out how many tiles sienna had all together. Then I took 4 away from the total. This gave me 20 tiles left for covering the rectangle. Boom. Writing done.